In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on auto relist on eBay. If you want your eBay listings to automatically relist when they end, this is a useful setting to know about. It can help save time, especially if you regularly sell similar items and don't want to manually relist them each time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the option from your seller dashboard and how to manage it on an active listing. To get started, sign into your eBay account and head to the main seller area. From there, click on Sell. This takes you into the section where you can manage your listings, drafts, and active items. If you sell frequently, this is the central place where you'll handle most listing related settings, so it's good to get familiar with it. Once you're inside the seller dashboard, go to your active listings and select the active listing you want to manage. Make sure you're choosing the correct item, since any changes you make here will apply to that specific listing. If you have several similar products live at the same time, it's worth taking an extra second to confirm the title and details before moving on. After selecting the listing, click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu with different options for that listing. In the menu, choose Remove Automatic Relist. This means the listing is currently set to relist automatically, and selecting this option will turn that setting off. If your goal is to have auto relist enabled, this label is actually a helpful clue. When you see an option to remove automatic relist, that tells you the feature is already turned on for the selected listing. So the key thing to understand here is that you're checking the current status through the Actions menu. If the menu says Remove Automatic Relist, auto relist is active. If you were expecting to turn it on but see that option instead, then there's nothing else you need to do for that listing. A good final tip is to review this setting anytime you update or duplicate listings, especially if your inventory changes often. Auto relist can be convenient, but you'll want to make sure it matches your selling strategy and stock availability. That's it. You now know how to check and manage auto relist on eBay from your active listings.